Hello guys, good morning and welcome back to my channel. My name is Solama Controller. I am a YouTuber based in Lagos State, Nigeria. And if you are stopping by for the very first time, you're welcome. If you are you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for always coming back to watch your baby girl. And this morning I will be showing you how I prep my cake pans for my cake baking. So it is necessary for you to prep your pan so you can have a very beautiful cake finishing. If you don't prep it well, your cake might get stuck to the pan, and that is one thing you do not want to happen. So this morning I'll be using this. I don't know if you can see it very well. Yeah, I'll be using this for my cake prep. This is baking paper. You can also call it parchment paper. Now, in the absence of this, you can as well use brown paper, but it is cheaper, but I don't really recommend it. I have used it before, but it is not really as hygienic as this one. This is how this came. So what I'll be doing is to measure my pan on this paper, cut it out, line it into this, then use my butter and flour mixture to coat it round. I repeat, what I'll be doing is I'll measure this on this, cut it out, place it in my pan, use my butter and flour mixture, then I coat it round. Then I put it in the refrigerator for 2 to 3 minutes. Then I used to bake. It is that simple, that easy and straightforward. Now, if by the end of this video you like what you see, please do not forget to subscribe to the channel for more tips. Click on the notification bell so that you don't miss any video I drop. Yes, please don't forget to subscribe, to share this video so that you don't forget. So you get notified when each time I drop a new video. Yeah, so this is the pan I'll be coating with you guys this morning. I have 4 of this that I want to do, so I would just take this out, place this on my table, place my pan, then I go with my pen, then I form a circle. I follow the size of my pan. I can go around twice, so I don't. Yeah, so this is it. I don't know if you can see. Let me cut it out so I can show you what I'm doing. So this is the size of my pan. Can you see? This is the size of my pan. So I'll just cut off the excess edges, then lay it into my So you cut out carefully, and you can as well use your scissors for this aspect too. But I just feel my craft knife or a blade will work well for me. So this is it. Can you see? So I just place it into my cake pan like so, like so. I'll be moving into my mixture. This is my all-purpose flour, and I'll be adding little margarine. I'll mix it with this, and I used to coat my pan. A little, and I go into my baking pan. So here, so I just put those into the fridge till I am ready to use. See, well coated. Well coated. So I put this into the fridge till I'm ready to use. So this is how I prep my pan for baking. I get my baking pans ready to eat the. Oh, thank you so much for watching.